So this is the Lefant vacuum. I'm gonna record it as I'm talking here. So this little vacuum cleaner works really well. It's more affordable than the Roomba. And even though we have a Roomba mop, we were so excited to have a robot vacuum that works so well. It's nice because this leaves the clean little vacuum lines on the floor, and it can fit underneath furniture too. The last round of vacuuming I did had a bunch of dust in it, and I loved how it has a little basket inside of it so I can easily just open it and I could grab out little toys that had been vacuumed up, and that's not so easy to do in a big vacuum cleaner. So, still working under that chair. Setup was easy. It even has a nice little phone app to go with it if you want to utilize that. And yeah, I highly recommend this vacuum. It's great. Shut off is easy. You just push that power button, and this is that little basket I was talking about, and that comes out really easy. Just push this open, snap it down. Yeah, very user-friendly. Good purchase.
Literally all you have to do is press the button and it's going. It's pretty much that simple. You just press it and it'll bump into stuff and turn around. But yeah, nothing too complicated, see? And then it goes back around. And you can see it's picking stuff up. This thing helps it pick stuff up a lot.